Hello Internet, I hope you're doing well during this quarantine. I'm Nat and I'm gonna teach you how to put logos in your STL files. So there are three things you'll need. First is an PNG file, second is a SVG file, and third, Fusion 360. Also at the end of the video, I'll be giving some tips and tricks you can use so you'll get the best results. So first, this is my PNG file, this one, and now we're gonna go to convert.io.co png-svg, and then we'll just drag and drop this file here and then convert. Why do we need to put it in SVG file? Because Autodesk Fusion 360 only uses SVG files for canvases. So if it's not a vector graphic, it won't be extrudable in the Fusion 360. So there we download it. And then the STL file will be this laptop stand by James V. I want to put a logo in the middle part of this laptop stand, so whenever I put my laptop, I'll see my logo there. So let's just download it. I already unzipped the laptop stand, and as you can see here, we already have our logo. So let's go to Fusion 360. So first I'll go to Insert, then Insert Mesh, and then I'll go Downloads, Laptop Stand, Files, then the Center STL file. And then let's move it to the center. I'll rotate this object. There. And then what you want to do, you right click the file, then choose do not capture design history. So what this basically does is remove the timeline from the bottom part of the Fusion 360, and then there, only when you move the do not capture design history will the mesh body be editable in Fusion 360. So I'll right click the body and then convert it to mesh to period. So now we have all these triangles, and what we want to do is just remove one face of a triangle and it will smooth out the surface. So next, I don't like this curve of the center of the laptop stand, so I'll just put a square. There, now that it is a fully fledged square, rectangle, I'll be putting my SVG file now. Insert SVG, and then let's choose the file from the downloads folder. So you might not see the SVG file immediately, but if you use this button and scale it down, you'll see it. It's just printed this big. So there, and then rotate it there. And then what you want to do is, you can't use dimensions on this SVG file. So what we'll be doing is using the grid lines. So we'll count how many blocks of squares there, so we'll make it centered. Okay, I think that's pretty centered. Then I'll click OK. So now we extrude the logo so it will have a very embossed look on it. Then I'll just press E and then extrude there, and then I'll just remove the unwanted parts here, here, here. Okay, now I just extrude it by one, hit OK, and then there you have it. The logo is now in your STL file, and now I'll just print it. So now we'll have this beautiful laptop stand. Okay, so tip number 1, try to have a transparent background on your PNG file of your logo so that the SVG converter file will have an easier conversion. Number 2, read the license of the STL. You could read it here. So this Creative Commons attribution. So what this means is there I can share, I can adapt, but I need to give appropriate credit. So that's it for the video. Thank you if you stayed that long, and if you like it, press like, and if you need help, just email me or comment down below. And if you want to see more, click subscribe. I'll see you in the internet. Bye.